So this is a cold start ZX-9R B1. It's the 9th of April 2025. Rev their arses off all these old ZX-Rs. And they're normally rather rattly. Especially on tick over. You know, just around about 1200 rev. That's either the cam belt, cam chain, or the alternator chain. Both are adjustable, just one is a lot easier to do than the other. I'll get round to it at some point. So yeah, this is from 1994. Exceptionally original. Been in hibernation for 2 years there as well. I'll upload a better video shortly.